President Marcos accepts resignation of Executive Secretary Lucas P. Bersamin and Budget Secretary Amena Pangandaman. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has formally accepted the resignations of Executive Secretary Lucas P. Bersamin and Department of Budget and Management Secretary Amena Pangandaman. Both officials respectfully offered and tendered their resignations out of delicadeza, after their departments were mentioned in allegations related to the flood control anomaly currently under investigation, and in recognition of the responsibility to allow the administration to address the matter appropriately. The President conveys his deep appreciation to Executive Secretary Bersamin for his steady leadership at the helm of the Office of the Executive Secretary. A former Chief Justice, E.S. Bersamin brought to Malacanang decades of legal wisdom, calm stewardship, and a deep respect for institution building. His contributions will remain part of the foundation on which continuing reforms stand. The President likewise extends his sincere gratitude to Secretary Pangandaman, whose work at DBM strengthened the government's fiscal management, guided the timely passage of national budgets, and ensured that social programs and frontline services were funded and delivered.
Ito ang naging pahayag ni Palace Officer Claire Castro sa isang press conference na kung saan ay sinabi niyang tinanggap na di umano ni Bongbong Marcos ang resignation letter ni Budget Secretary Amena Pangandaman at Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin. Ayon sa inyong narinig, ipinaliwanag ni Castro ang dahilan kung bakit nagbitiw sa kanilang pwesto si Pangandaman at Bersamin. Matatandaang, kasama ang dalawa, sa ibinulgar ni Zaldico na sangkot di umano sa pagproseso ng daan-daang bilyon sa lapi na ang sabi ay utos daw ni Marcos. Gayong nag-resign na ang dalawang tauhan ni Marcos dahil sa naturang alegasyon ni Zaldico, hindi ba't nararapat na mag-resign din si Marcos dahil siya mismo ang tinumbok ni Zaldico kasama ang kanyang pinsan na si Romualdez. Para sa akin, nararapat lamang na mag-resign na si Marcos o sumailalim sa isang investigasyon dahil siya mismo ang tinuro ni Zaldico bilang utak at nag-utos na i-insert ang daan-daang bilyong piso sa 2025 national budget. Ano ang masasabi mo dito? Dapat na bang magbitiw sa posisyon si Marcos? Out of delicadeza. Comment down below. Thank you so much.